Hey guys, welcome. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel, Rise and Shine. And I'm again welcome you to series on Java programming or video sessions on Java programming. So in previous session, we have already seen the object-oriented concepts. Now we are equipped with that concept. That is what you mean by object, classes, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. We know that, and that concepts are very important to learn the object-oriented programming, whether it is C++ or Java. So from this session, we are starting Java programming, and this session is dealing with getting started with Java, or it is an introductory session on Java. So in these sessions, we are dealing with what is Java, history of Java, very interesting thing, versions of Java, different versions of Java till date, and different Java editions. So let us start. What is Java? So very first thing, Java is a programming language and a computing platform first released by Sun Microsystem in the year 1995. So Java is programming language or computing platform. Means using this Java, we can develop web application, enterprise level application, scientific applications. So it is one computing platform. Next thing, Java is a specification. Listen carefully. I'm saying it is a specification. It is not just a programming language. It is a specification. And specification means, its dictionary meaning, it is something which should be followed it while creating something new. So Java is a specification which should be followed by programmer or application developer. The developer which want to develop the application using Java computing platform, they have to follow this specification, which is already developed by Sun Microsystem engineers. Or it is a specification which must be followed by all web server developers who want their web server should be compatible with Java. Or it is a specification which must be followed by database vendors who wants their database should be compatible with Java. So it is a specification. It is more than programming language. So each and every language have some strength. So same thing, Java is a specification. That is, Java is not a programming language to find out the Fibonacci series of any number. It is whatever core concept in Java, they are specification. Based on that specification, new Java technologies are developed. Next, Java is high level, robust, 100% object oriented and secure programming language. High level, it is understood by human being or very near to natural languages. Robust, more reliable, 100% object oriented, each and everything is a object secure. It is more secure than any other programming language. So how security is maintained, how robustness is maintained, we will see in upcoming session. For time being, Java is high level, robust, 100% object oriented and secure programming language. Next, We can use this Java from laptop to data centers, from gaming console to scientific supercomputers, from cell phones to internet, or in any electronic device. So Java is everywhere. Using Java, we can develop desktop application, we can handle data centers, we can develop game console, we can develop scientific applications, we can develop mobile applications, or we can manage any electronic device also. Java is everywhere. So my friends, this is all about Java. Next, we are going to see Java history. This is very interesting. Java history is very interesting. So this is fact about Java. It is developed by James Gosling, who is father of Java at Sun Microsystem and released in 1995. Nowadays, this Sun Microsystem is taken over by Oracle Corporation, and nowadays Java is proprietary of Oracle Corporation. So Java was originally designed for interactive television. Interactive televisions. But it was too advanced technology for digital cable television industry at that time. That is before 1995. Television industry is not that much matured. So it is too advanced technology. So history of Java, James Gosling and his team initiated the Java language project in June 1991 at Sun Microsystem. This small team of Sun engineers is called as Green Team. And the project they are handling for Java to develop a new language. At that time, there is no name is not Java, but to handle that project, that team is called as Green Team, and that project is called as Green Project. So this Green Project is about to develop a language for digital devices such as set-top boxes of television. On the other hand, it was suited for internet also, or it is called as internet programming also. So these two objectives are there in the mind of that Green Team, and they given the name to this product as Green Talk by James Gosling, and file extension for writing a source code was .gt, Green Talk. But after some time they rename it. After that it was called as Oak, and it was developed as a part of Green Project. This language is called as Oak. So why they have given name Oak? Because Oak is a symbol of strength. And they chosen this name because Oak is a national tree of so many countries at that time. USA, France, Germany, Romania. So they feel that our project or product become that much popular due to that Oak name. But Oak was already a trademark by Oak Technology, which is another company. So they cancelled this name, or they can't use that name Oak to their new product. So again, that team gathered together and they starting to choose a new name. So many names are suggested for that product: Dynamic, Revolutionary, Silk, JAL, DNA, etc. They wanted each and every people in that team. They wanted such a name which reflect the essence of technology. And that must be unique, easy to spell and fun to say. So they give a name as Java, or they choose a name as Java. There is again interesting thing behind it. Why Java? According to James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices along with Silk. So what is Java? Since or Java means it is a copy name, or Java is a island of Indonesia where this copy was produced. And they want to give this name because Java was one of the top choices along with Silk. So they think that Java was one of the top choices along with the Silk. So they give the name Java. And why they given the name Java? Java name was chosen while having a coffee near the Gosling shoppe. While taking the coffee, they decided we give the name Java. So they have given the symbol also, the coffee cup, and name as Java. So Java was one of the top choices along with Silk. This is James Gosling film. So they given the name Java. So this is the history about Java. Next, we are going to see what are the versions. So Java 1.0, January 23, 1996, then 1.1, 1997, 1.3, 1.4. In this way, Java is started, and after 1.3 directly use the Java 5, 5.0 they change. And here up to 2 they use only JDK 1.0, JDK 1.1, Java Development Kit, but then they change name J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. They are not given 1.5. Then Java 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and when this video I'm recording, Java 14 is in market, which is released on March 17, 2020. So this is the versioning and history behind that. JDK 1.1, 1.2. Then they directly use J2SE, not the things. And then J2SE, they directly use the word J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition. So this is Java version history. Editions. Java comes in different editions also. Means they have bundled the concept according to these editions. So very first is J2SE, which is called as core Java or core concept. Java Standard Edition, J2SE. It includes the core concept like OOPS concept, object class, inheritance polymorphism, string class, exception handling, inner classes, multi-threading, input-output streams, networking, AWT, that is abstract windowing toolkit, graphical programming using Swing, reflection, collection framework, all core concept, J2SE. Next edition is J2E, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. It is an enterprise platform which is mainly used to develop the web and enterprise level applications. So it is built on top of J2SE or Java 2 Standard Edition core concept. And it includes concepts like Servlet, JSP, web services, enterprise Java Bean, JPA, applet. So all advanced concept, J2EE, MVC architecture, so many things. Next is Java 2 Micro Edition. It is a micro platform which is mainly used to develop the mobile applications or the applications which run on handheld devices. It also, this is the bundle of concept, leaflet, midlet. So some lit technologies are bundled here. J2ME. So there are 3 editions, J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Core Java, Advanced Java, Java for handheld devices. Again, some editions are there. In some book, these editions are given, but main editions are these 3. These editions are sometimes bundled into another, this main edition, or some editions are Sun Microsystem discontinued, such as Java Card is used for smart cards, Java Apex, which is used for the which is separate edition. Apex, Java Faces, it is called as a, and but it is bundled into JRE, Java Runtime Environment, from Java 8 to 10. So it is another edition. Or Personal Java, it is discontinued by the Sun Microsystem after some versions. So these all about Java editions. So hope guys this session is informative for you people. So kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Rise and Shine. URL is www.youtube.com/Rise and Shine KG to PG. So here you can get all the information programming, web technology, engineering. So keep watching, keep learning, rise and shine. Till time, bye bye.